In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to employees in Asana. We'll walk through a simple flow, logging in, opening your project, finding the task you want to delegate, and assigning it to the right person. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This lets you authenticate quickly without typing a password. When prompted, select your Google account to proceed. If you normally sign in another way, that's fine. Just log in as you usually do and you'll land in the same place. Once you're in, go to your project. You can open it from your home view, your sidebar, or your recent projects list, whichever is quickest for you. The project can be in list or board view. Assigning works the same way either way. If you're in list view, you'll see columns like task, assignee, and due date. If you're in board view, open the task card to see its details. Next, locate the task you want to assign. In list view, move across the row to the assignee column. Click in that field. If it's empty, you'll see a prompt to add an assignee. If someone is already assigned, you can click their name to change it. If you don't see the assignee column, try widening your window or scrolling the table horizontally until it appears. In board view, click the task to open its details and look for the assignee field on the right-hand side. When the assignee picker opens, start typing the person's name or their work email. Asana will filter the list as you type. Click the correct person to select them. You'll see their name or avatar appear immediately on the task, confirming the assignment. Asana also sends a notification to that person so they know the task is now on their plate. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so the right people show up in the assignee list. If you can't find someone, they may need access to the project or organization. Also, double check that you selected the correct task before assigning, especially in projects with similar task names. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, find the task, click the assignee field, and choose the right person. Assigning tasks consistently keeps ownership clear and helps your team stay focused on what matters most.